Hi everyone, welcome back. What a lovely day today. Hope you're all enjoying this nice sunny day. I was in the pool earlier. 75 degrees today. There's the girls all out enjoying themselves. I thought we'd take a peek and see what they're doing about laying today. Yeah, what you girls up to? Oh, come to see Mama. Let's see. What do we have? I got 2 this morning because I have my broody hen again. I think that's it. I'm not seeing any more. Yeah, they're all talking to Mama, aren't you? Hello, girls. Yeah. Hello, girls. Yeah. Hello, girls. Yeah. Look at that. So we got 7 altogether. 7 beautiful eggs altogether. Oh, there we go. Hello, Cotton. Hello. Hi, sweet girl. Hello, Dumpling. Yeah? Yeah, you talking? You talking? Mama, put your fan on for a little bit. Cool it down in here. Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? No, they're all leaving. All right, everybody. Have a good evening, and we'll see you later.